Hi, in this video I'll render the design of what I imagined the Lucid $35,000 sedan model will look like. You know, the one to rival the Tesla Model 3. Welcome to Electric Design. I'll start with the front view and later move on to the back view, so stay tuned till the end of the video. I really like the Lucid design approach. It's pretty simple yet luxurious, but in a stealthy kind of way. In a world full of eccentric and polarizing designs, Lucid is going the other direction, in both styling and function fronts. From a stylistic point of view, we can definitely see the absence of a traditional automobile face, with two headlight units separated by the grille. But in the case of the Lucid Air, the result is one giant whale mouth grille-like shape stretching across the front end with metallic lips around and sort of a hidden light units. I really like it. It has a respective presence without shouting it out. Oh yes, BMW, I'm talking to you. What the... But styling is just the book cover, and we should also judge the Lucid design approach from a technical and functional point of view. And here Lucid really shines. The Lucid design methodology is quite unique in the automotive landscape. They designed the car from the inside out, with the occupant's experience in the heart of things. As explained by their design director, Derek Jenkins, quote, "Everybody wants a ton of space, and I think, in our case, a great deal of attention focused on the back seat and also a tremendous amount of cargo space. The front is just like a bonus room," end quote. And he added later in another interview his take on approaching the overall look and feel of the brand design. Quote, "In our case, I wanted to make sure the design was pure and relatively honest. It didn't feel hyper-stylized. I wanted it to be very clean, very minimalistic," end quote. I really like this approach, and it is definitely shown in the end product. Great job, Lucid. I based my rendering on the Air sedan, but shortened the wheelbase, hence it's a smaller car. I kept the overall look and feel of the Air styling and modified it to look more present, with sharper lines as well as much more dynamic feel in total, yet subtle. The main detail in the side view is the curvy silhouette of the greenhouse bottom end towards the floating C-pillar, and thus creating hair hatch for better aerodynamics as well as enhancing the floating metallic roof piece. The second major aspect I changed in our 35K model is the dark trim stretching along the wheelbase at the bottom of the body. I enlarged this dark trim vertically as well as horizontally to cover more sheet metal space than usual in order to make the body look slimmer and therefore dynamic, much like how they did in the e-tron, for example. Moving on to the front end, I wanted to give the car a much more distinct presence, therefore it's aiming for younger generations that demand more character out of their possession in general and cars in particular. I kept the lips design, but connected it with the side air curtain, resembling two fangs, ready to eat Teslas. I'm joking, of course. As you can see, I also updated the lower lip with a slight curve in the center for more focused appearance. In addition to the air curtain, I added an air pass-through behind the front wheel to guide the air around the corners of the car. Moving on to the back view. First of all, I'll update the proportions by shortening the wheelbase as well as dealing with the greenhouse, body lines and the lower bumper. Notice the air pass-through on the back of the C-pillar, letting air go through between the C-pillar and the body to earn some downforce pressure. The main change in the back is the taillight unit. I replaced the horizontal layout from the Air sedan with a vertical configuration connected with an horizontal light bar and an illuminated logo in the middle as the center brake light. And there you go, the $35,000 Lucid sedan. What do you think? Did I get it right? Do you like the Lucid design approach? Well, tell me in the comments. And don't forget to check out the Electric Design channel for more electric car design content and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.